So you just got your factory 55 Flatlink or Flatlink E. I'm going to show you how to quickly install it. All right, so you have your factory winch shackle. What you want to do is take your pair of pliers, simply pull out the caster pin. Pin will drop and you'll have it free. But then you'll want to take your lock ring pliers. You'll go into your factory 55 or Flatlink. You'll pull out the lock ring, and I just dropped that. And you'll not want to drop that like I just did. So from here, you're gonna want to take your factory 55 Flatlink, line it up, drop the pin in, and put your lock back in. From here, all you're gonna do is you're good to go.